Founded in 1958 in Wichita, Kansas, Pizza Hut quickly gained popularity with its unique concept of offering pizza in a dine-in restaurant setting. The company's early success can be attributed to its innovative approach, such as introducing the pan pizza with a thick crust and various toppings. This distinctive offering resonated with customers, leading to rapid expansion across the United States and eventually into international markets. During the 1980s and 1990s, Pizza Hut reached its peak. The brand capitalized on its strong market position and implemented effective marketing campaigns. One notable example is the Book It program launched in 1984, which encouraged children to read by rewarding them with free pizzas. This initiative not only boosted Pizza Hut's sales, but also enhanced its reputation as a family-friendly restaurant. Moreover, Pizza Hut excelled in providing a dine-in experience that differentiated it from its competitors. The restaurants were known for their distinctive red roofs and spacious interiors, offering a comfortable and enjoyable environment for customers to dine. This unique ambience, combined with the brand's well-known tagline "Gather round the good stuff," created a strong sense of community and loyalty among customers. As the pizza industry became more saturated, Pizza Hut faced challenges that led to its decline. One significant factor was the rise of competitors like Domino's and Papa John's. These brands focused on fast, efficient delivery, along with reasonable prices. In contrast, Pizza Hut struggled to adapt to the changing consumer preferences for convenience and speed. Furthermore, Pizza Hut's menu offerings, once seen as innovative, became stagnant compared to the evolving tastes and dietary preferences of consumers. Competitors introduced a wider variety of toppings, crust options, and healthier alternatives to cater to changing demands. For example, while Domino's introduced a popular handmade pan pizza and Papa John's emphasized the use of quality ingredients, Pizza Hut's menu remained relatively unchanged, leading to a loss of market share. In recent years, Pizza Hut has made efforts to regain its footing in the competitive pizza market. The company introduced new crust flavors, such as garlic parmesan and honey sriracha, to offer more variety to customers. They have also partnered with popular brands like Cinnabon and Beyond Meat to diversify their menu options and cater to different dietary preferences. Despite these initiatives, Pizza Hut continues to face challenges. The COVID-19 pandemic further accelerated the shift toward online ordering and delivery services. While Pizza Hut experienced an initial surge in delivery demand, it still faces intense competition from third-party delivery platforms and other pizza chains that have embraced digital advancements more effectively. In conclusion, the rise and fall of Pizza Hut highlights the importance of adaptation and innovation in a highly competitive market. While the brand initially revolutionized the pizza industry with its dine-in concept and signature pan pizza, its failure to keep pace with changing consumer preferences and competitors' strategies contributed to its decline. To regain its former prominence, Pizza Hut must continue to evolve its menu offerings, embrace technology, and find new ways to differentiate itself in the rapidly evolving pizza landscape.